Hello, my most amazing artists. We are going to start by tracing a circle in the center of our page. Next, what we're going to do is we are going to color around the circle with blue oil pastel. You could even add different shades and tones of blue if you would like, some darker blue and some lighter blues. Once you are all finished up coloring your entire outside of your circle blue, we are going to use what's called neutral colors, browns, tans, white, and black for our bird's nest. First, start with your browns and tans. You're going around the circle. You want to mix your colors and overlap them together. If you see some of your paper underneath, that's okay. We're trying to get the texture of the bird's nest. Like it looks like it's made out of sticks and twigs. Then on the edges, you can go out a little bit with short lines. Then add some white. Next up, we're going to color in the inside of the circle black. This will give our bird's nest some depth and make it look 3D.